final Katniss looking for the leader. And Warrior inside now, Jalana's favorite down, followed by Transmilak Alki running in fourth. Down in fifth is RMO Felix the Archer. Running by the wheel is Kangaroo Court. And going along for the first turn, Katniss, Liz Balang, followed by Alki. Jalana's favorite, Fari outside third, 2 lengths back in fourth, Kangaroo Court. Alongside Transmilak, 2 lengths back to RMO, then followed by Felix the Arch, long way back since when, and Nico Nanga. As they settle now, it's Katniss, Liz Bahafalang, Jalana's favorite, Transmilak moving up in between horses. Inside the last 600, Transmilak, Jalana's favorite, Katniss. And here comes RMO now for the outside and Kangaroo Court. As they swing for home, Transmilak, Jalana's favorite. Transmilak, Jalana's favorite for the outside, RMO. Then followed by Kangaroo Court, Katniss, Felix the Archins, when that is still Trust My Luck by some 2 lengths now. And finally, it's Trust My Luck. Second, RMO, Jalana's favorite. Since when, Kangaroo Court, Felix the Arch.
Okay, bayang karerista, para dito sa inyong race number 2, ang ating unofficial winner dito, numero 6, yan po si Transmilak with JT Zarate, mas sa segundo numero 8, Aremo, numero 4, Since When, numero 1, Kangaroo Court, at para sa inyong Pentafecta, 7 horse, Felix the Arch. So yan po ang nangyari dito sa inyong race number 2. Balikan